sa button.
Okay. I want to, this is the living area of Gazelle. You take a video of the restroom also. And take a picture, Tim, for normal.
Get it in the mirror.
Yeah.
Probably have to delete that one.
So we could remember how it's improved, you know. Maski yung sa tingnan niyo pag nakita mo yung construction, alam niya yung materials na ginamit.
So when you see something, you sit and watch.
What?
Watch the picture. See how bright it got because of the light up there? So you just... Oh, the toilet. Oh, gotta have a toilet. I like the roof.
You know, Tim, here will come. We can, there's you see there's a little dresser here, you know, like dresser or... Very nice, eh? And then, the partition should be like glass, eh? It's like...
That I like.
You like that? Pero hanggang dyan lang yan, Rachel, ano? Hindi siya yung full.
Pwede po kayong magawa na.
Pero itong design na to, kalahati, parang ano lang, ano? Hindi pwedeng i-close, ano? I don't think
Pero
so.
sa mga gumagawa niya na yung pwede kayo mag-request.
Na enclose, ano?